Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn simple present tense. And here we will also know what is subject, what is verb, what is object in sentence. So let's get started. What is subject? A subject is a part of a sentence that contains the person or thing performing the action or verb in a sentence. Example, he, she. You can see next question, what is verb? A verb is a kind of word, part of speech that tells about an action or a state. It is main part of a sentence. Every sentence has a verb. This means the definition above only works well for English basics. Example, eat, go, buy, run. Here the next question is, what is object of a sentence? The object of a sentence is the person or thing that receives the action of the verb. It is the who or what that the subject does something to that sounds completed. Here you can see example, trash, book, home, etc. Here you can see last example, Terry cried out of the trash. Terry is the subject. It is one performing the action and the one the sentence is about. And cried is the verb, it is the action being performed by the subject. Trash is the object, it is what is being cried and it is what the subject is doing something to. Let's see next question. What is present tense? A tense expressing an action that is currently going on or habitually performed or a state that currently or generally exists. Let's see the formula of simple present tense. Affirmative sentence, subject plus V1 plus S or ES. If subject is third person singular like he, she, it, name of single person, etc. Let's see example. She goes to home. She goes to home. I use in verb es just because she is a subject. And second, I go to school. In this sentence, I didn't use yes or es just because our subject is I. Let's see the next formula of negative sentence. Subject plus don't or doesn't with third person singular V1. Okay, let's see the next example of negative sentence. I don't run. Second, she doesn't come. Let's see the formula of interrogative sentence. Do or does plus subject plus V1. Example, do I go? Does she come? Where do you go? When does she come? Okay, at last I have to tell you, we don't use of helping verb in simple present tense. We use yes or es in verb with he, she, it, name, and we don't use yes or es in verb with I, we, you, they, which is I also used in example. So just focus. So here we deeply understand what will difference between affirmative, negative, interrogative in present tense. So let's see examples. I live, it is also affirmative sentence. I don't live, it is a negative sentence. Do I live, it is a interrogative sentence in present tense. Let's see second example. He lives, It's affirmative sentence. He doesn't live. Negative sentence. Does she live? It's interrogative sentence. So I hope you all understand whatever I told you. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.